think defining classic can be subjective. For me, I just kind of think of the Hamptons. I think of something that is well established, it's been grounded, something that is true, it's recognizable in its style. And so I want to mix that up. I think you want to gather and collect art, accessories, pillows, whatever those things are that give meaning, or maybe it's just something from a trip that you're really locked in on. And you're like, I want that moment in my memories. But I think that it's, really trying to push yourself a little bit, especially sometimes if you feel like, oh, it's maybe this classic means boring. Well, bring in an item. Maybe it's from a grandparent or a parent that was something that was in their normal workday life. Maybe it's something from a farm, maybe it's something from a factory. But if you bring that item in and we kind of like deconstruct it from what the purpose is of it, it now becomes this object of art. Usually it will spur a conversation like, what is this object for? And if you put that on yourself, I think it's like putting your spin on classic style.